Hi friends, are you looking for unbiased Jivami.in reviews? If yes, then stay tuned with me till the end of the video, as through this video I will help you to know about the legitimacy of this particular website. Also, you will get to know whether you should buy products from this website or not. And before starting, let me tell you that it is not a sponsored video, neither this website is owned by me. So without wasting much time, let's get started. This is the homepage of the website, and over this website you can see that Jivami.in offers wide range of bicycles such as racing bicycles, foldable bicycles, and so forth. And guys, the most attractive part here is the prices of these bicycles, which seems too good to be true, and you might be tempted to grab it right away. But first, protect your wallet by knowing whether it's a scam or legit shopping website. So let's check the authenticity of Jivami.in. Guys, before proceeding further, I would request you to like, share and subscribe my channel because it will help you guys to get the notification each time when I upload some informative videos on my channel. Friends, now let's check the shipping policy. So here in shipping policy section, we can see that they have stated that the customer will receive their product within 5 to 7 business working days. And here in the same section, we can see that company's email ID is provided, which is support@jivami.com. Now guys, let's have a look on return and refund policies. So guys, here we can see that their return and exchange policy lasts for 30 days of the receipt of the product. But guys, note that you can request to return the product only if the product delivered is damaged. And while talking about the refund procedure, so it may take up to 7 to 10 business days for the respective banks to process the refund. And guys, in case of COD refund, the payment will be made to the customer through NEFT. Guys, the point to note here is that Jivami.in do not offer cash on delivery option. Still, here they have written that in case of COD refund, the payment will be made to the customers through NEFT. So it seems that the content over the website might be copied from other websites. Therefore, now it becomes very crucial for us to check the content quality of this shopping website. Guys, here we can see that 33% of the content over this website is copied from other websites. So it's a red flag. Now let's proceed to check the cancellation policy. So guys, you as a customer can request to cancel your order anytime up to the cutoff time of the slot for which you have placed an order by calling their customer service. Now let's proceed to talk on those important points which will help us in checking the authenticity of this shopping website. So guys, Jivami.in uses HTTPS connection, therefore the information you send or get through this website is safe, which is quite a positive sign. But guys, HTTPS connection alone is not sufficient to consider a website as legit. Therefore, let's check the registration details of Jivami.in. So guys, the domain name was registered on 21st October 2021. Thus, the website does not have much traffic as it is new and is not much popular among the people. Also, here we can see that domain is registered just for 1 year. Now let's talk about the customer reviews, because guys, customer reviews are one of the most critical factor in identifying the legitimacy of any shopping website. So here on the official website, you will see that there is no section for customers' feedback. And as I said, it was registered just few days back, so over the internet I could not find even a single customer review regarding the quality of the bicycles offered on Jivami.in. Addition to this guys, Jivami.in lacks presence on social media platforms, which again is a negative highlight. So guys, closer look at Jivami.in reveals red flags such as copied content, duplicate images of the products, lack of customer remarks, low score on Trustpilot, and lack of presence on social media platforms makes us to doubt the authenticity of this shopping website. So prevention being a better option, I would recommend all the viewers not to shop from this website because there is a high risk of receiving low quality goods or nothing at all. So guys, it was all about the unbiased Jivami.in reviews. And apart from this friends, if you have ever ordered anything from this website, do share your feedback in the comment section below, because after all we are here to spread the awareness about scams. So let's do it together. Let's save innocent people from scams. Also guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to protect yourself from online fraud. Bye bye guys. Stay informed, stay alert.